Hello, I'm Mandy Lewis-Houston, and today I will be showing you my smallest urban sketch kit and how I use it. It's just a studio demo since we can't get out. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hi, I wanted to show you today my smallest urban sketch kit. I keep it in a small old makeup bag, and I carry with it, usually I have this elastic banded to the bag. It's one of those small planks that you can get in the craft section of a hobby store, used for pyrography or other crafts. Inside my bag I have a magnetic clip. I usually pop that on the corner there. I have my teeny tiny Stonehenge aqua cold press. I guess this is a tester, but it works beautifully with this board. And I'm going to go ahead and I usually put that down at the bottom. I have it's rubbed off, but I believe that's probably a 5 nib. Nope, that's bigger. It's a technical pen. I have a 8B Derwent sketching pencil, which is also water-soluble graphite. The always loved Uniball Signo white gel pen. This is the smallest water brush I have ever come across, and I actually quite like it. So the brush sits in the handle, and you carry this little canteen, and it just fills easy peasy. And I've not had this leak on me so far, so fairly happy with it. So now I have my water brush. I also carry a kneadable eraser, some washi tape, and some small clips, because, you know, if it's windy I may need to attach my sketchbook to the board, and I can do that really quite easily with these. Well, you get the message. I don't need to do that. And the paints I keep in a little pouch. My husband made me a palette with his 3D printer, and I bought a pillbox where I keep a very limited palette. It's Azo green, phthalo green, quinacridone rose. The palette magnetizes. I feel like I had a larger clip in here. I've probably borrowed it for something. Let me grab one. There we go. Just trimmed the yard, and it's not done good things for my thumb. It works, I promise, if you have strong hands, which I do not. There we go. And now I've got some mixing wells. As you can see, these colours really do offer quite a range. I'm going to swatch them out for you. Now this is a Holbein, and it does have a honey binder in it, so it's a little sticky, but I've never had any problems so far. No, I beg your pardon, it's an M. Graham, and it's Azo green, which washes out to this really quite lovely yellow. I know what I'm missing. I usually have a piece of paper towel in there that I also clip to the board right here. I appear to be missing that today. The world is just topsy-turvy, huh? This is phthalo green. And this is, I believe, quinacridone rose. Ooh, look at that. I quite like that. I'm just going to sketch in my plant pot. I took a photograph in the yard a little earlier. And we have some Spanish, what is it, Spanish lavender. It's, one of those little lanterns up there. And then there's the Spanish moss, which I'm just going to put in directly. I'm not going to try and draw that since this is just a sketch. And I quite like the variation in greens that I'm getting here. Unless you practice a lot with these little tiny minimal palette sketch kits, I find it hard to predict the exact shades I'm going to get, but I kind of like that. That appeals to me in a big way. I don't know. I'm going to see what happens if I just drop a little of the yellow in there directly. See if it lightens up any. And it doesn't. And I'm going to just put in some, just to ground it at the bottom, you know. Okay, and the actual lantern we have is green, but I'm just gonna give it a wash of orange, just because. And I do want that a little lighter, so now these are all going to run together, which I quite like. Makes for a lively painting, I feel. I'm not even going to care that that is completely blending away. Quite like it. Does that make me weird? Okay. Just want to put a few more. Now I'm going to find it a little hard, I think, to get the actual colour that I'm after. But that's close enough. So I'm just going to drop in some lavender shape blobs. Oh, that was a bit too much. But it's okay because I can, you know, kind of fix it. And I'm not too worried about accuracy. This is, after all, just a sketch pad, and it's a teeny tiny one, and it's for experimenting in. Obviously this would work better if I was patient and let it dry. I feel like I would like really pale something at the top. And this little sketchbook is 100% cotton, despite its diminutive size. It's well, I'm impressed, you know. So I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this and just wash that up here. The thing about these minimal palettes is the colours always harmonise, because just the 3 colours in there. Okay, I feel like this is dry enough now. I'm going to actually, since I am not outside and you can see how I use this now, I'm going to move that out of the way. And add in detail here. If you have made it this far, thank you for sticking with me. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions about any of the items I talked about, or would like a closer look at what I was doing, please let me know in the comments below. I will make another video swatching the limited palette to show you how I get a full range of colours. Again, if you would like to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you and see you next time.